So, good morning to all. In this video, we will see how can you connect your simple HTML page to Ethereum wallet like MetaMask using JavaScript. So, this is a basic page, okay, in which I have a simple button, only one button, that is connect, and this page consists of the following things like I have imported these two scripts. One is for Web3 and one is for jQuery. I will give the link of these two in the description. And I have simply connected this to JavaScript page. As you can see in source, I put the path of the JavaScript, and I have just as I told, I have just one button in this page only to connect to MetaMask wallet. Okay, so and that is the function which I'm using. So now navigate to this JS page. So as you can see, this is basically a plain JS page. So the first thing which I'm going to do is declare a variable that is web3, and then we will be declaring a asynchronous function. Okay. Mm, Now after that we will be mention that C is capital for this connect function, and the first thing which we will be writing is await. Means await is for asynchronous functions. Okay, so the code is await window dot web3 dot current provider. And in this case the current provider is MetaMask, and we have to put an extra thing that is enable function. Enable will enable that MetaMask extension, and it will be like a pop-up window. Okay, and then this web3 is a object of that web3 that which we have imported in script. Okay, so this web3 will be used in later on, mm, for the various purpose. So current provider, so now I think our code is over. That's all. Only this much code is needed. Okay, now we have to run a server. So I have installed HTTP server in the terminal of this Visual Studio only. So the command is HTTP server only, and then you have to press enter, and then the server is started. You can see it has given you the link. Okay, so now we'll be navigating to that link. Okay, so the link was 127 dot. yeah so this is the page. Okay, here we have a connect button. As you can see, only one button in our page, that is connect button. So once we click on this connect button, then a pop-up will as you can see, once we click on this connect button, a pop-up will appear from MetaMask, and it will be asking you to connect to these two accounts. I have these two accounts imported in MetaMask. Okay, so this is like a checkbox, and once you click connect, then second now as you can see, we are connected to MetaMask. Okay, here you can see we have connected to MetaMask, showing connected. So now you can do all your transaction, and it will be done through MetaMask. So this is the simple trick how to connect to MetaMask. So that's all from my side for this video. So thank you and take care.